Hi guys, I am out here thinning out some of these larger green onions or spring onions, and you can tell where I have just pulled those out of to make room for the smaller ones. So I chose the biggest one, like this one here, and you just gently pull it up because it's already almost out when you start to see that bulb. And then you just push a little bit of the dirt back around on it and pat it lightly. That's all you really have to do. It's going to start to push them up when they're ready to come out. Push the dirt up a little bit when they're ready to come out. So I just went through here and I picked a few that were really ridiculously big, and I chose just enough to fit on that cookie sheet so that I can freeze them up without them wilting on me. So as you can see, there's definitely more. Like this one right here, that needs to come up too. Maybe I can fit this on the cookie sheet itself. Just gonna rock it a little bit, gently shake it, put it back here in my pile, and that is it. It's about 9 o'clock. Pretty dark out, and I'm just going to go in here and wash these up, put them on my cookie sheet, and freeze them. Before I do that, I wanted to show you guys that my broccoli has been attacked by, I would imagine, a groundhog. And they got the tops of my carrots as well. I have carrots in a couple other places. That's also why I keep saying I plant things in different areas, different spots, to see how they do, but also for reserve. Now, this plant right here looked just as big and as good as this one down here did. This is not broccoli, it's cauliflower, but they have the same leaves as they're in the same family. And I don't know if it just hasn't found it, or if it's because the cilantro is here and they don't really care for that. Don't know. Anyway, just thought I would share that with you. The garden's looking nice. I'm enjoying it. I will be giving a July tour soon. This one really just has been thriving, along with this one here. I did come out a couple days ago and get the suckers off of all of these and kind of cut the bottoms of them, as you can see. Love you so much. Please like and subscribe.